Now I want to talk to you about how you can use the Garmin GPS with paper maps. I think the most commonly way to use a Garmin GPS with paper maps is to find intersections, especially when you've got a paper map and you sort of know where your vicinity is, where you need to be, but you're not sure the exact address. We can always look on the map and find your intersection. Like right here, for example, we've put point A. We did this previously on Google, so obviously there's a point A there. But let's say this point A was not here and we were out wandering around following a map and we knew that we had to be somewhere in this vicinity, maybe at the Louisville North Animal Clinic. This is Louisville, Texas. Let's say we need to be here at the Louisville North Animal Clinic, or at least in the general vicinity nearby. And we want to go ahead and choose the intersection of West Main Street, which is actually Farm to Market Road, or West Main Street, or South Stemmons Freeway right here. We can go ahead and import this intersection into our Garmin GPS, and it'll find this location for us and create a route based on our specifications of the intersection for us, and then we can find our way to this area. Let me show you how this is to be done. First, you're going to start by going to where to, so that you can select your address, but we don't have an address, so we need to input an intersection. So we're going to go ahead and actually choose categories. Now if you scroll all the way down to the bottom of categories, it will give you search tools that you can use. One of them happens to be intersections. So we're going to go ahead and enter intersections. Now it's asking me Texas or Oklahoma. I'm in Texas, so I'm going to choose Texas. Now it's asking me to enter the first street name, which we're going to go ahead and put in as Stemmons Freeway. And then once we get this street entered, hit next. Then it's going to ask us for the second street, which could be West Main. And of course you can enter these in any order that you prefer. It's still going to find the street for you. Okay, and go ahead and hit next. Now it's calculating the route from your current location, wherever that current location may be, to this intersection. And of course we are not that far from it, so it's see it found it right here, Louisville, Texas. We're going to go ahead and click it, and we're going to click go so that it can calculate our route. Now it's going to show that we're not actually that far from it. It's going to show that we're going to get there pretty quickly, probably in the next 5 minutes, but there you go. It's automatically taken our existing location and projected a route for us that will take us to that intersection so that we can find our way to the Louisville Animal Clinic. And that is how you can use a Garmin GPS with paper maps.